Hi there, in this video I will show you how to create split text intro in CapCut. So I will add a split text intro on this video. So first of all we need to go to overlay. So click on overlay and I added this video here, split text. I simply just type split text and export the video. So add this video here. Now here scroll left and find transform option. As you find it, click on it and now click on resize. Here you need to crop this text like this and then click on the tick button on the top right. It will look like this. Now we need to adjust this on our screen like this. Okay. Now click on the first overlay and we need to duplicate this. So find the duplicate button and now adjust this under the first overlay. Perfect. Click on the second overlay and now find transform option, as we need to crop the lower part of the text. So once you crop the lower part of the text, click on the tick button and now adjust the second overlay under the first overlay like this. Now click on the first overlay and go to chroma key to remove this black background here. Do the same process for second overlay, so it will look like this. Now click on the first overlay and second overlay and add a keyframes. First keyframe is added. Now add the second keyframe and add the second keyframe at the exact position where you added on the first one. Go to first overlay and in second keyframe simply drag the text downward, and for the first one drag the text to upward. So as you can see, now the text is splitted. In this way you can split text in CapCut. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe our channel. See you guys in the next one. Bye.